Introducing H7, the revolution shaping safer, smarter, more human roads. The dawn of a new road era. The road is more than asphalt. It's where life moves. Every mile carries a story, a purpose, someone waiting at the end. And H7 protects that journey. Our commitment goes beyond products. It's a promise to safeguard every traveler. H7 is a device designed with a clear conviction. Behind every vehicle and every sign, there is a person with a story, a family waiting, and a purpose that drives them. That is why we develop solutions that protect their journey, support those on the move, and help make every route safer. H7 goes beyond being a product line. It is a commitment to life. It provides the assurance that every mile traveled is supported by genuine empathy and a strong sense of responsibility.
Where science drives safety. Road safety doesn't happen by coincidence, it's built through science. The H7 product line emerges from extensive research backed by advanced physics, chemistry, and engineering. We evaluate friction forces, weather resistance, and light dispersion in critical scenarios. As a result, every H7 component is engineered from a precise formula created to deliver greater nighttime visibility, powered cutting-edge, next-generation microprismatic retroreflective elements, superior grip, reduces slip-related accidents in rain, ice, and other low-traction conditions. Extreme durability, resistant to wear, UV exposure, and chemical agents. H7 is science applied to protection, proof that every innovation is grounded in data and evidence.
With H7, technical excellence is absolute. We implement production standards that go beyond global requirements. Our solutions don't simply work, they perfect the role they were created for. Life's path can be straight or unpredictable. H7 turns the road into a guiding surface, one that speaks in a language of light and shape. H7's white product line whispers reassurance in the night. The colors of our signs deliver messages of awareness and direction. And every lane marker becomes a small landmark in the poem of our journey, a beacon encouraging, this is your way. Keep going. Beyond illumination. H7 does more than illuminate, it protects. It makes the difference between detecting an obstacle in time and responding safely. It provides the clarity that guides drivers through sharp curves, winding stretches, and low-visibility environments. Our value proposition is direct and measurable. Greater safety, proven reduction in nighttime and adverse weather road accidents. Operational efficiency minimizes reliance on high-cost roadway illumination systems. Sustainability reduces energy consumption and carbon emissions, contributing to long-term environmental goals. Peace of mind protects drivers and passengers while strengthening the confidence of the families who rely on them. Safe vehicle redirection is achieved through cutting-edge, non-destructive interaction enabled by advanced materials engineering and precision geometric design. The Kayak H7 Channelizer must be installed along the centerline to prevent vehicles from crossing into opposing traffic. The Forte H7 Channelizer is positioned along the road edges to gently guide vehicles back into the safe traffic stream. This controlled redirection reduces impact severity and lowers the risk of vehicle damage, ensuring consistent roadway safety. H7 devices incorporate high refractive, catadioptric reflectors precisely angled to capture, refract, and return headlight beams with exceptional intensity. This engineered optical geometry cuts through fog dispersion, providing a continuous visual outline of the road ahead. When natural visibility diminishes, the driver can still clearly perceive the path. Tactile haptic alert. Each unit features a high-resistance polymer composition, a low-profile design, and ergonomic curved edges engineered for controlled vehicle contact. When traversed, the unit generates a distinctive vibration or resonance that propagates through the chassis and steering wheel, enabling the driver to instantly register the corrective cue. Thank you!